Redirect It is one URL. One click and customers will be redirected to the correct app store, no matter what device or platform they're on. It's the perfect tool for mobile app developers and marketers. Once you've logged in, click on Add New App. Fill in the form fields. Start with your app's name. Choose a unique code, something that makes sense for your app, and add a default URL. This is where you'll send users if they're visiting from a device that you don't support, or if they're using a PC. Add your app's icon here and hit Save. You'll see that your app has its own unique code. Here's the new Redirect It URL. Now let's say my app is for iPhone. I'm going to flip that switch here to turn it on, and then enter in the app ID here. And if I made the same app for Android, I can turn that on too the very same way. You can now send out the Redirect It URL knowing that anyone who opens it from either an iPhone or Android will be directed to either iTunes App Store or Google Play. If the URL is opened on something like a Windows device or PC, they'll be sent to the default URL you originally set. From here, you have the option of simply clicking Save and you're done. Just use the Redirect It URL for all of your marketing needs. But if your app shares content and users must have your app installed to see it, then you'll want to use a custom URL scheme. All you'll need to do is enter in the custom URL scheme in these fields. When users want to share content, the link will open up the app automatically, as long as it's installed. If it's not installed, then the link will simply act as a universal URL and send them to either an app store or the default URL. There are no dead ends or 404s. Your customers will always be brought to your product. Last but not least, track your hits with rich statistics to show how effective Redirect It is for your apps and for your business. Redirect It. Help your app to find its way.